Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to unpin on X on your iPhone. Okay, so on your iPhone, go to X application and you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. Now in the side menu you want to select your profile, and now at the top of your page you should see your pinned post, and let's unpin it. In order to do that, you have to tap this three-dot button next to this post and select option Unpin from Profile, and of course confirm the action by tapping Unpin button. As you can see, it immediately disappears from my profile, and that indicates that I have successfully unpinned this post from my profile. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.